see the shocking moment Boma lock lips with Angel. Hello guys and welcome back to your favorite channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. Season 6 Big Brother NAIJA housemates have started to heat up the house after Ebuka advised them to keep the fire in the house blazing after a series of feedback on Twitter on Saturday evening. After the identities of wildcards were revealed yesterday evening, housemates were seen discussing the incident and the identities who were wildcards at the garden. It appears most were still in the mood of shock hours after Maria and Perry were fished out as wildcards. After the discussion, the housemates decided to play a truth or dare game where housemate Boma was asked to kiss Angel for 10 seconds. Surprisingly, Angel was in on the game as she made herself available for Boma and they kissed for 10 seconds in the presence of her love interest, Sammie.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Angel finally got what she wants.